So, good evening everyone. As you can see, it's already night here in the Philippines. It's already 7 o'clock in the evening. And I'll be recording this video session as my makeup tutorial. And I'll be teaching you how to put some simple makeup just like Korean. Just like Korean people do, like most Korean girls do. So, this is already a trend here in the Philippines because everyone's so gaga over K-pop, K-drama. So they want to look like a fresh looking young Korean actors and actresses. But, well, yeah. So let me first introduce the product that I'll be using. So since enable for us to achieve the Korean makeup, we should put a very light or very white makeup or powder on our face so that we can achieve the color of our eyeshadow later. So today I'll be using the CoverGirl Clean Matte, which is really white. And yeah, I just saw it here. Actually, it's my sister's powder foundation. Yeah, so I'll be using this. Can you see it? Okay, yeah. There. CoverGirl Clean Matte. This is really white. I can't believe this is really white. It's not really my skin color. I don't know why my sister bought this color, but this is really funny. I look like a ghost. But anyway, for us to achieve this Korean makeup, we should be really, our face would really, fair as like them. This is really funny. Let's put something on our neck to even out all the colors between your neck and your face. So the next product is MAC Prep Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray Powder. I use this MAC SC30, which is my true skin color. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using MAC Art Library Flamboyant in Samoa Silk. And for the next eyeshadow, I combined two colors, which is Rule and Dada Issue. I'm still using the MAC Art Library Flamboyant. Next item shadow I'm using is Dollywood from MAC Art Library Flamboyant. And for the next eyeshadow, I'm using Embark. Still, I'm using MAC Art Library. next one, I'm using this Amber Light of MAC Art Library Flamboyant.
월요일 바쁜 아침 다들 피곤한 얼굴 나만 즐거운가 봐 자꾸 웃음이 나와.
So I'm giving you some tip when putting eyeshadow. Spray some setting spray on your brush so that you can achieve the real tone of your eyeshadow.
있잖아 매일 봐도 새로운데 알면서 모르는 척 괜히 한번 물어봐 저기 이거 어떻게 해요?
Next is the eyeliner. I'm using MAC Rich Experience Pro Longwear Eyeliner.
기다리는 난데 너 빼고 다 알아 내가 너를 좋아한단 거 너만 바라본단 거 Don't ever come to Friday 금요일이나 싫어 일 끝나고 놀아도 싫어 불타는 금요일 내겐
Next is I'm using the Face Shop Ink Gel Eyeliner.
멍청아 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 나 좀 봐라 너 빼고 다 알아 내가 너를 좋아한단 거.
Next I'm using Momoso Liquid Eyeliner to create a winged eyeliner on my eyes.
떠올리며 글을 쓰는 것도 이게 마지막이야 girl 너 추억하며 아파하는 것도 이제 더는 없어.
Next for my mascara, I'm using Makeup Forever, which is really my favorite mascara of all time.
Go, oh, 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 oh. 원치 않는 너의 소식에서 병을 따진 않을 거야 yeah. I'm sorry babe 일단 사과할게 모든 노래 우리
And for my blush on, I'm using this Sunny's Face Biscuit. I really love this color, by the way.
수백 수천의 멜로 무비보다 우리 잡았던 로맨스가 더 다이나믹해 그래서 아직까지도 널 잊지 못했나봐 But it's time to say goodbye 이 노래가 끝나면 널 깨끗하게
For my lipstick, I'm using this MAC lipstick taupe color and orange color. This camera really sucks and it's getting on my nerves because I'm not getting the real focus on. So yes, after I'm putting this color, which is taupe, I'm using this Innisfree topping lip concealer. Just dab it on your lips, on top of your lips actually, just to get this natural looking color. And then add a little of taupe, and I'm using this Mirage. But anyway, it's also MAC, and yeah, so I am almost done, and as you can see, I can really put something on my eyebrows.
내 안에 담겨있던 널 이젠 비울게 노래가 끝나면 다시 널 찾지 않을게.
So this is the finished product, the finished look of my makeup for tonight. So I wasted my time shooting this video. Actually, it's just nonsense because I am so tired, but I'm in the mood to put some makeup. So here I am, trying to shoot some video and sharing to you my knowledge on how to put a simple makeup on your face. I don't really like to put some glam, or I don't like glam makeup actually. I just like this, simple as that, and it's not so over. So I hope you like my makeup, and if you have any queries or inquiry, charot, ganun, pwede ba? Wala naman akong follower, kayo lang naman. So yeah, just don't be shy to ask me a question or leave a message on the comment below. So yeah.
没关系，天空越黑，星星越